Dear students, today we are going to study about 3.2. Here, first question is given that use the given letters to write the answers. So I am going to read that there are 8 trees in village lot. How many trees are there? There are 8 trees. Means I will write here number of trees. Number of trees is equal to A given to us. If the number of trees increase every year by B, means number of trees increased every year is equal to B. Then every year is how many years? X years. Number of years is equal to X. So how can we make? Already there are how many trees are there in the lot? There are 8 trees. And how many trees are increased? B trees are, number of B trees increased every year. And how many years? X years. So multiply by X. Therefore what is the answer? A plus BX. A plus BX is the answer. Now for the parade there are Y students. There is a parade, however you are coming for mass PE. So like that, if school teacher want to take the parade, then he makes columns and rows. Columns and rows. So look here, Y students in each row. Y students in each row, and there are for parade Y students in each row. And X such rows are formed and X rows are formed. Means total number of students is equal to number of students and number of students in each row into number of rows. Means answers become XY. Understand what I told? Here number of rows, here number of students in each row and number of rows. Means number of students in each row is Y and number of rows are X. Then X into Y means there are total number of students present for parade. Now third question here it is asked the tens and unit place of M. The tens and unit place of 2-digit number. There is 2-digit number. Okay. What is? There is 2-digit number. And in this 2-digit number, tens place is given to you. Tens place is equal to. Look here. Tens place is given M. And unit place digit at unit place is equal to N. What is that number? Tens place means 10 into M plus unit place. This is tens place and this is unit place. So what is the answer? 10M plus N. Why M is multiplied by 10? Because it lies at tens place. Therefore, we should multiply by 10. And unit place is added means 10M plus N. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Here it is told add the given polynomials. Add the given polynomials. Add the given polynomials. What will you do for addition? That we will check. Number 1, x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus directly giving solution 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. We are going to solve first question. First polynomial is given x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus second polynomial is like this. So then take cube terms together. X cube plus 5x cube. Do addition of this. Here nothing is given means 1. So 5 plus 1, 6x raised to 3. Minus 2x square as it is because there is no term given. Then plus 2x term is also not given here. And then here minus 0 plus 9. These are cancelled. So what is the answer? 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x is the answer. That is the part of addition. You can solve it by taking the terms which are not given. And then also you can add. Means what I done? I have taken like terms together. Like terms means their indices must be same. Indices must be same. And then after taking together we can do addition or subtraction. Now question number 2 from 2. Minus 7m raised to 4. Minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube. Minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. Next term is 5m raised to 4 minus 3m raised to 3 plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. I wrote all together. Okay. Then I will take together m raised to 4 minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4. Then I will take cube term. This cube term plus 5m raised to 3 minus 3m raised to 3. Now here m term is not given but there is m term given, so I wrote here. Square term is also given, therefore take first square term. We will take first square term. 2m square. Now then here there is no m, here it is no, but in last case there is 3m. Now take this root 2 and there is minus 6. Okay. Check all terms are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means all terms are taken together. Now is equal to minus 7 plus 5 minus 2m raised to 4 will come. Minus 7 plus 5 is do subtraction, give greater number sign. Now here 5 minus 3 is plus 2m raised to 3. 5 minus 3 means 2m cube. Then 2m square is as it is plus 3m as it is. 3m is as it is. Here wanted to take root 2 and root 2 minus 6. This is the answer. This is the addition of question number 2. Now we will enter in question number 3. Question number 3, 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y raised to 2 minus 4y minus 3. 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. What to do? Square them take together. 2y square plus 3y square. Is there any more? No. 2 plus 3, 5y square. Now y take together. 7y plus 3y minus 4y. Okay. Then 7y, 3y minus 4y. 7 and 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 4 means 6y will remain. Now who is that? 5 plus 9 minus 3. 9 and 5, 14. 14, 5 plus 9, 14 minus 3, what will remain? 11. Okay? Understand? What I told you, understand? Now we are entering in subtract the polynomial. Now next question. The next question is question number 3. Subtraction. Subtraction. First I will write question here. Subtract the second polynomial from the first one. Directly also we can write. So I am going to solve direct. X cube minus 9x plus root 3. Here minus in bracket now, keeping next term. Minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Okay. Now what to do? X cube as it is minus 9x plus root 3. First term, first polynomial is written as it is. Now when you are subtracting, means taking out of bracket, here it is minus sign, so all signs of all terms from bracket will change. So it becomes 19x minus root 3, positive becomes negative and this positive becomes negative. Now x cube is single term, minus 7x square is also single term, minus 9x plus 19x plus root 3 minus root 3 taken together, plus root 3 minus root 3 is cancelled. X cube minus 7x square. 19 minus 9, how many will remain? Positive 10x is the answer. So this was very simple. Now we will solve question number 2 from subtraction. Question number 2. Right? Even you can solve yourself. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus in bracket because second term 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b plus 2a square b. Now here we will solve 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Now out of bracket minus sign, so all signs will change. Minus 3ab minus minus, it becomes 8ab square minus 2a square b. Now a square b, who are there here? We will take together. 3a square b minus 2a square b. What will remain? Only a square b is the answer. Now plus 2ab square and plus 8ab square. ab square and 8ab square taken together, it becomes 10ab square. Okay, minus 4ab, this is already together, so directly write minus 7ab, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7ab. So this is the answer. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4, multiply. Multiplication is quite simple. If you have basic knowledge, no problem then. Question number 4. Multiply 2x x square minus 2x minus 1. Dear students, I will remind you that you are looking this Ashoka's English Medium Academy channel. So here there is one request behalf of this academy that you should subscribe this channel to get the newest uploaded videos, and also write your comments. You should share your likes. Now we are going to make subtraction. So then 2x in bracket x square minus 2x minus 1. 2x as it is, x into x square means x raised to 3. 2 into 2 means 2 to the minus 4, x into x square, and this is minus 2x into 1 means minus 2x. This is the answer. Now second question. Second question, x raised to 5 minus 1 and x cube plus 2x square plus 2. What to do? Look, these are taken into brackets. Then by first term we will multiply to second bracket. I am going to write first term of first bracket. I am taking second bracket now, x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, bracket completed. Now here it is minus 1, second term of first bracket. And write second bracket as it is, x cube 2x square plus 2. Now do multiplication. X raised to 5 into x raised to 3 means x raised to 8. Plus 2 as it is, x square into x5 means addition of indices 5 plus 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5. X raised to 5 into 2 means 2x raised to 5 minus x cube, minus 1 into x minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. Minus 1 into x minus x cube minus 1 into 2x means minus 2x square, and minus into negative 2 positive 2 means minus 2. Now anybody is saying all terms are different, so that is the answer. Similar way you can solve question number 3, that is giving as a homework, and I am entering in question number 5. Be ready for question number 5. What is question number 5? Divide first polynomial by second polynomial. Means first polynomial divide by second polynomial and write the answer in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. X cube minus 64 divided by x minus 4. Okay. Then here x cube, middle term is not given, so 0x square. Again middle term is not given, standard form. I am taking x cube minus 64 in standard form. Those terms are not given that I took here. Minus 64. Now we should divide to this polynomial px. How will you divide? Look, x raised to 3, 0x square plus 0x minus 64 divided by x minus 4. Here x raised to 3 is there and here it is x. Means x raised to 3 and x raised to 1 means x 3 minus 1, what will you get? X square. Therefore I will take here x square. Now this x square into x means x raised to 3. What I done? Here x cube is, first term is x cube, so I took here x cube. This is here x, then minus x raised to 1, nothing is given means 1. Then subtraction of indices, 3 minus 1 means x2. So x into x square means you will get here x2. Now by this x square multiply to 4. So what will come? Minus 4x square. Now do here subtraction. Here change the sign, cancelled. Now you will get here 4x square plus 0x minus 64. Now what do you want to check? Now you want here 4x square, means we should have to take here anyhow 4. Here it is x square wanted and here it is x, means 2 minus this one, means you should take here x. Okay, here it is x square and here it is x. So then what happened? Divided, then 2 minus 1 means only x will remain. So I took here this 4 wanted, so 4x is taken. 4x into x means 4x square minus 16x plus 0. Now do subtraction, minus plus minus. This is cancelled and 16x minus 64. Now you want here 16, so take here 16. 16 into x, 16x. 16 fours are minus 64. Here minus plus. This is cancelled. The remainder is 0. So here it is asked dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Therefore x cube minus 64 is equal to what is quotient? Quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16 into divisor is x minus 4 plus remainder 0. This is little bit difficult one, but if you saw this video again and again for this question, you will understand it and we will enter in the next question. Five x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 and divisor is x square minus x. Look here, 5, 4, 3, 2, one term is not given. We will take it for standard form. 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. And divisor is as it is. Now we will divide it. 5x raised to 5, 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube, 2x square plus 0x plus 2. And here square minus x. What to do now? Look. Here it is 5 wanted, means anyhow I must have to take 5. Here x raised to 5, here x raised to 2. Means 5 minus 2, 3. X raised to 3 take. Now multiply by this 5x cube into x square, means you will get 5x raised to 5. Multiply by this term to x. What will happen? Minus 5x raised to 4. X cube into x means x raised to 4. Now do subtraction, change the sign. Cancel 5 plus 4, 9x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3 9x raised 4 plus 5, 9. This as it is. This is also as it is. Everything is as it is. You want here 9, positive sign is there, so I took positive 9. x4 minus x2, x raised to 2, means you should take here x square. The 9x square into x square means 9x raised to 4. 9x square into x means 9x raised to 3. Subtraction. change the sign, this is cancelled. 9 minus 3, 6x raised to 3. Further take as it is 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay. Now what should we do? Here it is 6, cancel right here 6. Here it is x raised to 3, here it is 2, means 3 minus 2, only x take. Then 6x into x square means 6x raised to 3. 6x into minus x means minus 6x square. Subtraction. Cancelled as 6 into 8x square plus 0x plus 2. Now here it is 8. So take here 8. Already here it is x square, here it is x square. If cancelled, 0 remains. So no need to take any variable. 8 into x square, 8x square. 8 into x minus 8x. Now do subtraction. Cancelled, 8x plus 2 is the remainder. So what happened? Now if this is completed, I will write now answer here. We should write in the form of dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So then what is dividend? Dividend is equal to your main question, 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 2 is equal to, what is quotient? Quotient is 5x raised to 3 plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 into, what is into? Divisor x square minus x plus remainder remains 8x plus 2. This is the answer. Division questions are totally difficult one. If understand, nothing is simple than this one. But there is need that you should have to understand it. That's why it is needed practice. Now we will enter into the next question. Question number 6. Write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify told. There is rectangular form. There is one rectangular form. In this form, its length is given 2a square plus 3b square. A square plus 3b square, and its breadth is given. What is breadth? Look, a square plus b square. In this rectangular form, farmer used one plot to build a house. That is square type plot. He used a square type plot, means all sides are equal. What is the length of plot? A square minus b square. And then asked that when house is built, then how much area is remainder? What is the area of remaining part of farmer? How will you find area of remaining plot is equal to area of rectangle minus area of square. Understand what is done? Now area of rectangle means length into breadth, area of square means side square. What is length? 2a square plus 3b square into a square plus b square. And area of square means a square minus b square bracket square, because side square. Now do multiplication of this. First multiply by first term to second bracket. What comes? 2a raised to 4, a square 4, 2a square b square. When multiply by 2a square to b square, then 2a square b square. Again by 3b square multiply to second bracket. Then 3a square b square plus 3b square into b square is 3b raised to 4. And here first making expansion of this is, you know that a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similar way, first term square means a raised to 4 minus 2 first term into second term 2a square b square plus second term square means b raised to 4. This is expanded by formula. Now take out of bracket. Minus a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square minus b raised to 4. Now we will take together 2a raised to 4 anywhere. Yes, this is minus a raised to 4 means what is remainder? A raised to 4. Now here 2a square b square, 2a square b square, and here it is 2a square b square means 2 plus 2 4a square b square. This term, yes, anything wrong? 2a square b square, 3a square b square, and here means there is one more. Here we want to take 3a square b square, and this is 2a square b square means 2 into 4 and 3 7, it becomes 7. So note down here 7. And now the next term is remember 3b raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. So final answer a raised to 4 plus 7a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 minus b raised to, not minus, what is a 4 as it is 7a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 as it is. Sorry. Now what should come? 3 minus 1, 2b raised to 4. Look here, what is done? Area of rectangle minus area of square plot. So values are written, multiplication is done and subtraction done. At last this is the remaining area of the rectangular plot or farm. So here this exercise 3.2 is completed. If you have any problem, you may contact me, because already below this channel we have mentioned my phone number. You can contact. Do study, be sincere, and try to achieve your goal.